All right, what's going on, everyone? Well, it's Friday, made it to the weekend, so I'm ready to cook. And I got right here this Jealous Devil Max XL charcoal briquettes. Now, I've never used them before, so I'm gonna give them a try here in the Bronco and see how well they cook. And I'm gonna be cooking some chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast, and some real thin country style ribs. They're called Texas style ribs, but pretty much just cut from the butt, the pork butt. So that's what I got going, and just want to try them out and see how well they go in the Bronco. And I've never used them, so might as well cook something and use them, right? That's what we're gonna do. All right, so that's what they look like. XL, they're pretty big size. Yeah. 10-pound briquettes, all in the basket. So I'm gonna do it like I always do whenever I'm gonna do a cook that's gonna be, less than 5 or 8 hours. Stick it right in the middle, light it up. All right, and let it go, and it'll start getting wide. I shot right there in the middle, and then I'll put it in the Bronco. So yeah, we'll see what this Jealous Devil, what it got going in the Bronco. What do you think so far? It's getting right there. Some pretty good size briquettes. Yeah. So let's get it in the Bronco. Set in like that. Let's get you about 2 for right now. And I'm gonna leave the diffuser off right now, the heat diffuser, so I can go whenever I'm ready to put the meat on. I'm gonna put my wood chunks in. Post up wood chunks. So let's just get it going. And raw all the way. And then you're gonna control first off right here on this air intake before you even touch this. If you're having trouble controlling your temps, either you want them high or low. But right now I'm gonna shoot for 250, and then for about like the first hour of the cook, I'm gonna keep it at 250, and then I'm gonna dial it up to 275 and see how well these briquettes get up to that temp. If they take a bit or they light up quick. So just experimenting right now with them. So that's how it goes. All right, it's going above 250. So let's get it to the 1. Top stack's gonna remain open all the way. So we're gonna want it to drop down just a bit to 250, and if I gotta adjust it some more to get it to where I want it, now I will. So we'll see when I get it there, and if I can hold that 250 with this Jealous Devil briquettes, and see if it'll hold temp through the first hour of the cook. But once I see that it's holding steady at 250, I'm gonna put the wood chunks on top of the briquettes, put the heat diffuser on, and then get that food on and start cooking. It's been holding steady at 250. Still at the 1 and wide open. So let's open it up, see what it clears. I'm gonna put some wood chunks. Yeah. Put one in the middle. Get the smoking. Right? Heat diffuser plate. Yeah. Just like that. Cooking great. So let's close it up, and I may need to adjust here maybe since I've had it open, but we'll get it back to that 250 and then I'll put the meat on. All right, it's slowly going up. It's barely hitting that 225, so putting that heat diffuser on, slowing it down. So I'm gonna open it up just a tad bit, about right there. Keep that wide open, and then if I happen to go over 250, I'll just cut it back. So yeah, well, that was pretty quick. Took about a couple of minutes to get to 250, so just gonna cut it back just a bit. Oh yeah, I seasoned them with that what's it called? Oh shoot, the Salt Lick barbecue rub. Some good rub right there. So give it a good clean real quick. Alright. And then, like I said, I'm gonna let it roll for about an hour at 250, and then we'll check, see what the food looks like. As expected, whenever I opened up the Bronco to put the meat in, it jumped up to a little past 275. So I cut it down, and I got it in between the 0 and the 1. So it's slowly dropping. So we'll get it back to that 250, and then we'll go from there. All right, it's been above 250, so I've had to go back and forth adjusting. So this is where it's at right now so far. Still wide open. Yeah, looking good. That rub's giving it a nice color. Nice color. So I'm gonna move these around. Yeah, just like that. I am chicken breast right there. Small one, and then bam, that one right there. Yeah, so that's looking good right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna close it up and then continue on managing this Bronco. Yeah, she's smoking. Beautiful sight right there. And if you can see, I got my bottle right there, my spray bottle full of just apple juice, and I did spritz the pork loin ribs, the Texas style pork loin ribs. I'm sorry, but yeah, I did spritz them down. So yeah, looking good. Yeah, sitting at 250. I decided just to keep it at 250. I'll probably boost it up around 275 after I take off these Texas style ribs. But let's check it out. Yeah. Need to get some light in here. But yeah, these are done. So I'm gonna take them off. And then I will boost up the temp to 275 to finish off these chicken breasts. Yeah, well, we're sitting at just above 275. It's been holding pretty good right now. Check out the chicken breasts. Yeah, they're coming along. Oh, they smell so good. They feel good. This one has to be done already. This one's getting there. Yeah, I'm gonna give them maybe another 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then bird bath. Oh yeah. Can't wait for that. So let's close it up and let's finish it off. It's time to sauce it up. Oh, they smell so good. They look good. So get some more. Yeah. Glaze it all up. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Yeah. Just a little bit more, a little bit more. Get all that flavor in it. All right? All that flavor. All right. It's that peach mango. All right, let's give it about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we'll let it rest. And then I'm going to eat. Oh, yeah. Beautiful looking. They're ready. I'm going to take them off. Let it rest for a bit. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. Oh, yeah. It's smelling nice. Oh, yeah. And yum. All right. Let's taste it. Oh, man. It smells so good. Don't you just love it? Oh my God. That's a good breast right there. All right, so okay, this video wasn't a lot about, the cook itself. Cook had something to do with it, but it was more about the briquettes. Jealous devil. So after this cook on the Bronco, what do I think? I think he did a pretty good job. At times it seemed like it got hot pretty quick. But once I was able to just dial it back to close the side smoke stack, it got down, and I was able to get it to the temp I wanted it at, 250, 275. So that was good, and it maintained that temp. It didn't go up or down. It stayed at that temp, so that's good. There's other briquettes, that just won't stay there, and they'll go up and down, And yeah, the briquettes are lighting up, and that's going to happen. It's expected. But with this, it stayed consistent at where I wanted it at, which was 250 or 275. So that was good. And so yeah, if I come around them, I probably will give them another shot. Cook with it. This was a pretty quick cook. Altogether 3 hours. So maybe we'll do a long burning cook to see if it could last 12 plus hours, 15 hours. We'll give it a shot. But I will show you once it cools down everything, and I'll remove the heat diffuser plate, and we'll see how much briquettes are remaining. So yeah, we got that right there. But overall, it did good. So all right, it's time to end it. I gotta get inside. It's dark and I'm hungry. So as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And smoke on, everyone. Oh yeah. Let's see what the briquettes look like. All right. That's pretty good. Yeah. I mean, you can tell that it has burned within, the basket. About a top layer right there. But underneath, you can tell it's been burned. But after 3 hours of cook time, this is what you got right here at temps of 250 and 275. So it's okay. Maybe one day we'll give it a shot to see a long burn cook, see how long it'll last. But yeah, that's what it is.